Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I'm gonna do a trade recap on my Disney trade at the open today. Today is the 10th of August 2022. It's a Wednesday. Right now the time is 10:42 a.m. We're probably gonna have like a little reversal here at 11 o'clock, but let me get into this trade recap. Today was a quiet day. Nothing didn't really happen in regards to my trading really. So let's start off with so we had the gap up numbers here on the CPI. Well, not gap up numbers. We had lower numbers on the CPI, so the stock market took advantage of that and we ran up. So we ran up on Disney from, let's see, we took off from 111.03 to a high of 112.84. So when the market opened, we hit, let's see, where was that? Let's see, we hit resistance here at 112.67 and we broke down below our floor pivot, which is at 112.51. And I was trying to be patient though. Didn't really take the break of upper VWAP, which was around, let's see, upper VWAP is a nice place to take a short. So upper VWAP, the break there was about 112.22. So I was patient, didn't really take just the trade right at the open. You know, you gotta kind of wait and see for the fake outs and stuff like that. So I guess if you were on a 1 minute chart, you could probably take some quick trades, but I'm trading on a 5 minute chart, so I like to wait for the second 5 minute candle. But it all depends, right? So looking at the volatility falling down here at the open, I decided to take the break of floor pivot R3, which is different from the Camarilla pivots. This is floor pivots. So the break of that was 111.41 and I entered here just above at around 111.46. So we started breaking down. We got to, let's see, we got to Camarilla R6, which is 110.34, and that's like the highest Camarilla level you could get. So we bounced off of that. So that's keeping it in a bullish posture. So when we bounced off of that, we came back to VWAP. We actually retest floor pivot R3 at 111.41, but let's see, we kind of fell short of that a little bit. So we came up to 111.29, and when we broke VWAP, I added to my position here at 110.85, and we broke down to R5 on the Camarillas, dipped below that a little bit. We got to 109.91, but I was looking for like 109.25. I saw on the level 2, Goldman Sachs has a bunch of orders there at 109, I think 109.14. So I was trying to get out just in front of them, you know. So we never really got down, we never really got the breakdown, and when we started pushing back up, I just decided to close all my shares at 110.54. So all in all, it's a profitable day. Wasn't a big profitable day though. It was, you know, the move wasn't that big, and we're still moving kind of sideways here. We above VWAP now on Disney. I think let me look over at the Qs. Yeah, the Qs is kind of in moving sideways. We hit floor pivot R3 and we're pushing back up now to let's see, what is that? Oh, let me bring that across. Let me bring it across. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Alright, so you can see on the Qs here, let me make that bigger. So on the Qs, we kind of had like just some back and forth action. Really it's just a bull flag really. So we had that big pop up with the CPI numbers being lower, and we just kind of moved sideways really. Now we're pushing back up on floor pivot R4 at 324.26. Probably gonna get some resistance there, and maybe just bounce back, fall back to like floor pivot R3 322.51. So maybe that's a play, you know. But I think I'm done for today. Today is the move already happened today, so that's what I think is happening. So there's not much room for any more movement, but it can still break out though. But as far as I see it, the move is done. That's why we're getting this sideways movement. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna just stay out. I'm gonna play the sidelines. Yesterday was a big profitable day for me, so there's no need for me to force any trades. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, it's King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.